You want something to eat? Oh, look at his little brown eyes. His hands. What else you got in there, he said? Put it down there. What else? He wants you to throw it over there.
So cute.
It's so cute. No, we can't get it in there.
Oh my god, they're so smart.
What's he saying, to put it in there?
Yes?
He's telling you to put it in there. Can't believe it. No, you can't put it in there. You get into trouble.
Aww. Come home to Australia. Come on.
You come with us.
It's so cute.
I got a banana in my bag, but you couldn't get it.
Pull it out.